Hello everybody and welcome to Kimchi English Teachers Vocabulary Day 1 A, B, C words. Our first word groups are A. Apple, apple. Angel, angel. Ant, ant. Airplane, airplane. Acorn, acorn. Apple, apple, apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Angel, angel, angel. A, N, G, E, L. Angel. Ant, ant, ant. A, N, T. Ant. Airplane, airplane, airplane. A, I, R, P, L, A, N, E. Airplane. Acorn, acorn, acorn. A, C, O, R, N. Acorn. Our second word groups are B. Ball, ball. Balloon, balloon. Bottle, bottle. Bird, bird. Bacon, bacon. Ball, all, ball. B, A, L, L. Ball. Balloon, balloon, balloon. B, A, L, L, O, O, N. Balloon. Bottle, bottle, bottle. B, O, T, T, L, E. Bottle. Bird, bird, bird. B, I, R, D. Bird. Bacon, bacon, bacon. B, A, C, O, N. Bacon. Our third word groups are C. Cat, cat. Cactus, cactus. Collar, collar. Camera, camera. Crown, crown. Cat, cat, cat. C, A, T. Cat. Cactus, cactus, cactus. C, A C T U S. Cactus. Collar. 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 C-O-L-L-A-R. Collar. Camera. Cam-ra. Camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Camera. Crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. C-R-O-W-N. Crown. Those were Kimchi English Teachers Day 1 Vocabulary A, B, and C word groups. I hope you learned something today, the spelling of words or the pronunciation of them words. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, share with your friends and family, and until next time, have a great day.